on, and you would want those drafts to be available for you to edit, but you really don't want those going out before they're allowed to be seen in the public. So we're going to differentiate. There's going to be the aggregation feed, and what we're going to be talking about today is the collection feed. We have
他刚才讲到就是这些 feed 一般来讲要多个，因为原来的我们说 RSS 要分开来好几个，你可以分开好多，你有这些内容可以分好多的这个 feed 哈，你分类哈，让别人去订阅。可是现在你要用程式处理的时候呢，那你要把这个最好是把这些新增删除这些哈，就是把分开来哈，分开来处理，这样有安全有很多理由了哈，就要分开来处理是最好的哈。
Retrieve. We're already basically a quarter of the way done with the Atom Publishing Protocol. We can retrieve. How about creating? What would we do to create? Well, in the Atom Publishing Protocol, it's the simplest thing you could possibly think of. We take an Atom entry and we post it to the URI of the collection feed. That's just an entry. There's no surrounding feed element around it. So post that, and that gets added to the feed. Like we said before, this change to the feed will also get reflected in the weblog. Alright, so we're, in essence, halfway done with the Atom Publishing Protocol. So we have create and retrieve, and the other two parts are update and delete. So let's go back and look at that entry that was added to the collection feed. When you create a new entry, the server will add some other elements to that entry. In this case, what you're seeing here is the edit URI, and every entry that gets created will have it, and that's the URI by which you're going to update, delete, and retrieve that entry. So let's cover the simplest case first, which is delete. This is actually just, you're going to send a simple HTTP delete message to the URI of that entry. And that's it. There's no body that goes along in that request, just a delete. Once that delete gets received by the server, that entry gets removed from the feed, and like we said before, that gets reflected